welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the newest Priceline Sister Club Pink Diamond Beauty Box that I got for free. So I'm going to open it up and show you what I got inside. And as per usual, if there's anything that I try out prior to posting this video, I will add in a clip of what I thought of it and give you my final thoughts. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And for this makeup look, I will link it above for you guys so you can see how I did this. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so I haven't even looked in this box yet. I've literally just got home from the shops and it is still closed up at the moment. So I'm excited to see what's inside. So Priceline have changed their membership status or sister club things, so there is all new terms and everything now. I did reach the pink diamond status again, so I got this massive box of goodies, so I'm super excited to have a play and see what's inside. Okay, so there is tons of products in here. Like, it is full of goodies. So let's just start off at the top. So we got this Viva La Juicy Pink Juicy Kosher, I think it's kosher, perfume spray. So it's just a little sample of perfume, just like this. So I'm just going to spray it. Let me spray it on my arm. Oh, that's nice. I really like that. That's like a fruity sort of scent, I think. That smells really, really nice. So I will use that. I don't use perfume very often, so I literally get these samples and that's enough perfume for me. So I also got another perfume sample and it's from Guess and it's Bella Vita. So let's pop this one on my other arm. Oh, that's nice as well. It is. It says it's meant to be black cherry and it definitely smells like it, but that is a really nice fruity scent as well. So I definitely prefer fruity scents over like florals and stuff like that. So the next product I got in my box is from Ardell and it's Glamour Lashes with Glue. So it looks like this. So excited to play with these. One thing I have noticed is I struggle with using these type of lashes. I can't get them to sit on my eyes properly. So I do struggle to apply these. So I will try it out, but it may not work for me. So our next product in here is from Pure Papaya Care. So it's papaya ointment multi-use. So it's pawpaw with calendula, repair, nourish and soothe for sensitive skin. So it looks like this. So it's meant to be 100% natural. Let me have a look inside. Well, it's a decent size packaging as well. 25 grams. I won't open it right now because I don't know if I will try this one out. I have stopped using a lot of different skincare for now because I was having a lot of reactions. So I literally have gone back to my basics with my skincare and just sticking for that for a while, just to see if my skin will stop reacting. So far it's finally starting to get back to normal, so I don't want to go and mess it up again so quickly. So the next product I got is from Dermatological E45. It's moisturizing lotion for dry and sensitive skin, and this is massive. This is 200 mils and it's perfume free, so that looks pretty good as well. The next product, I got two of these. They're Micellar cleansing waters from Garnier. So they remove makeup, cleanse and soothe your skin. So it's for face, eyes, lips, and they don't have perfume in it as well, so they're hypoallergenic. So I just got two little 5 ml sachets of those. which can always come in handy, especially when traveling. My next product I got is a Rejuvenating sheet mask from Olay. So it's Magna Masks Infusions. So it's just this little sheet mask here. So very excited. I do like sheet masks, so I am looking forward to using this one. So the next product I got is from Hask, and it is a Nourishing Shine Hair Oil. So it's got coconut in it, and it moisturizes and revitalizes. So it's just this little packet here. So I will most likely re-gift this to someone else. One of the things I've noticed is my body doesn't like coconut, so I have stopped anything that has coconut in it. Okay, and then we got 4 more products here. So next one I've got is from NextCare, and they're Acne Absorbing Covers. So it's a package like this. So there is 36 assorted sizes. So basically they go on your like pimples and stuff. I have been using a different branded one, and I'm almost out. So this will come in handy because I haven't gone and brought any more yet. But they just look like these. They're like little spots that you pop on there, and they've been working really well for me. So they've been stopping me from touching it, making it worse. But also it actually has been reducing the redness and the swelling around them and healing it so much quicker. And also it doesn't make it like really dry or anything. I get a lot just like here. So it stops it from getting like super dry, so when you put makeup on it doesn't like cling to it. So I do really like these, so I'll be interested to try this brand and see if this is a good one as well. Third last product is from Marzina Simple and Smooth Sensitive Facial Wax Strips. They're trying to tell me something. Have I got a mustache growing here? I probably do. So it's for face, bikini and underarms, and it comes with 2 soothing aftercare wipes. They're cruelty-free, soft fabric style strip, and they're New Zealand owned. So they're enriched with green tea, mint and sunflower seed oil. So that sounds good because, as you guys would have known from my video that I did on what I do for hair removal, I only either wax or use my Epilady. I don't actually shave. I do shave my underarms, but like my legs and stuff, I don't shave because I'm so scared of them growing back thicker and darker. So this will come in handy. My next product, second last one, is from Karen Murrell, and I might have to open it to see what it is. I think it's a lipstick, Poppy Passion lipstick. Oh, it is too. How cute is this? So it's just like a little bullet lipstick. It's got like the color on the bottom. So how cute is this? It has like a little pattern on it here. I'm sorry if you can hear my husband in the background. He is in the garage at the moment. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it has this cute little stamp on it, and then it's got like their little initials there. That's really cute. I actually really like this color too. Oh wow, that is a really beautiful color. I can smell something in this. What is this? So it is actually a natural lipstick. So it's got avocado and evening primrose oils, candelilla, carnauba, cinnamon and sweet orange. So the cinnamon is what I can smell. So it ensures this lipstick is delicious to wear and has great staying power. It will even improve the condition of your lips. So treat yourself to natural beauty every day. So that is absolutely beautiful. So I'm super excited to try that one out. So I've just tried the lipstick here, this one, and this is what it looks like on my lips. So I'm not going to pop anything on top of it. I normally would add a little bit of gloss in the middle or something, but I'm not going to because I want to do a wear test and see how long it lasts on my lips, because it does say on here that it is meant to be long lasting. So let's put it to the test. So far I really like it. It's really nice and creamy and smooth, easy to apply. It's really pigmented. The only thing I can fault about it is I can smell the cinnamon really strong. Whilst I love cinnamon, it just feels weird on my lips. It smells weird. So I don't know whether it's like because it's mixed with other things that it smells a bit like off. But hopefully that will go away. I've only had it on for like 30 seconds now. So yeah, I will check in later and let you guys know what I think of the lipstick and see how it handles. So far it's really good. So super quick check-in. This is what my lips look like after 5 hours and eating and sweating. Hi everyone. So I'm just doing my final check-in. It has been about 7.5 hours since I've had this lipstick on now. So I haven't touched it up at all. For the first hour or two, I did use a straw when I was drinking, but I have eaten food. I've been sweating quite a bit, hot flushes and being out. We've been out for quite a long time, so this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's like all worn off. There's just like the outline left of it now. So it's definitely long wearing. I think I could tell once I had food, that's when it really started falling apart. And then like, yeah, this middle bit was basically gone. And I was just left with the outline after that. So I didn't apply anything else on it. I did clean my lips before putting the lipstick on. But I think it works really well. If you can get past the smell, it definitely smells like cinnamon. Or I had a friend smell it and she said that it smelled like sort of like a chai latte. So if you can get past that smell, I definitely recommend it. It was a beautiful color and yeah, it stayed on all day. So yeah, that was quite nice. Lucky last product is probably what I'm most excited about because everyone knows I love my makeup. So it's from Revolution, and it looks like a palette of some sort. So let me open it up and we'll see if it is an eyeshadow palette or a blush. Oh my goodness, it is a stunning eyeshadow palette. Check out those beautiful colors. So that is really, really pretty. It's like a jewel palette. So, oh yeah, it's called the Jewel Collection Opulent. So I'm super excited to try this out. It looks just up my alley, super shimmery and sparkly. Just quickly, I've just done my eyes using this palette and so far I'm really loving it. It blends really nicely and it works dry and wet. So I did start off with just a dry brush and it went on really nicely, and then I just used a wet brush to give me a bit more of a foiled look and just to deepen up the outer edges here, and I think it looks really stunning. I did have a lot of fallout, but I was using a brush. I wasn't using my finger. And I do my face makeup afterwards, so that is okay. But so far I'm really loving the palette. Hi guys, so just doing my final check-in for the eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like after 8 hours. So you can see there's a little bit of creasing when I pull on my eyelid. Just tiny bit, not like over the top creasing. You can't really tell unless I do like fully straighten my eyelid out. I really like the eyeshadow palette. I think it is very subtle, it is beautiful, really good for like a simple glam look like this. It withstanded me with my hot flushes and everything today. There was a small amount of fallout as I did say, but it's looking fabulous for how long I've been wearing it and for how bad my hot flushes have been today, which the rest of my makeup had handled so well as well. Unfortunately it didn't, but yeah, I'm really loving the palette and I will definitely be keeping this in my collection. That is what I got in my most recent Priceline Pink Diamond gift box. So I'm super excited. There was so many goodies in it this time and so many things I'm excited to try. I think I'm definitely the most excited over the lipstick and the palette, and probably the little pimple dots because I have only just recently started using them, so it'll be good to try a different brand and see if they work better, if they work worse. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family, hit that subscribe button, change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!